Hello students, today you will learn a new experiment, that is aim of the experiment to find the refractive index of liquid by using a convex lens and plane mirror. The apparatus of this experiment are a convex lens. This is a convex lens. See, this is the thick at the center and thin at the edges. Second, plane mirror. This is the plane mirror. It is fixed on the base of this apparatus. Now, next is liquid, you know. Next, and other is the clamp, pin stand. This is the clamp and this is the pin stand. And last one is meter scale. This operator, this arrangement also known as mu apparatus, because you are going to determine refractive index of liquid. Next topic is theory. First, the radius of curvature or of lower surface of the convex lens, which is given by r equal to L square by 6h plus h by 2. First to find firstly on the convex lens, secondly on the plane mirror. As we know that this is the combined focal length of the lenses in combination, 1 upon f is equal to 1 upon f1 plus 1 upon f2, where f is the focal length of combination of lenses, f1 is the focal length of convex lens, and f2 is the focal length of liquid lens. This is the lens maker's formula by which we can find the refractive index of liquid, that is mu is equal to 1 plus r by f2, where mu is refractive index of liquid, r is the radius of curvature of liquid lens, and f2 is focal length. 3. Now, next step is observation table. The observation table for to find focal length of plano-convex liquid lens. For this, first we find the distance of needle tip from the lens surface, then from plane mirror surface. So first without water and then with water. So first I am going to take the reading or the distance of the needle tip from the lens surface without water. Now see the apparatus to this. First I place the convex lens on the plane mirror. Then adjust the position of the pin such that its image formed due to the convex lens and the plane mirror at the same position, then remove parallax. Now see, this is a object pin, and see in the convex lens, this is image pin, and there is a overlapping between the tips of the pins. Now see, I am adjusting with the help of convex lens. See, the tip of object pin and image pin both coincide with each other. Now remove the parallax. If you displace your eye towards left and right, see there is a relative displacement. Now adjust the position. You will see that the image will be free from parallax. Now see the image. Now see the distance of the pin from the plane mirror surface. See, this is I think 11. See, this is 11. This is the pointer of the pin stand. Now see the reading. This is the reading. This is the position of the pin from the plane surface. Now I am writing. This is 11.0 centimeter. Now second, using the meter scale, find the position of the pin from the surface of convex lens. See here. You can see. I think this is now write the reading, that is the distance of the needle tip from the surface of the lens. This is 10.0 centimeter. Now find the distance of the tip from with water. Now pour some drops of water on the plane surface by removing the convex lens. Then place convex lens on the water. There are two lenses. One is convex lens and other is liquid lens. Again, find the position of the image. See here. Now see the position of the image formed on the combination of lenses. This is object pin and this is image. This is object pin and see inside the lens, this is the image. Now shift the pin upward to remove parallax between the object pin and the image. Now parallax is removed between the object pin and its image. If you displace your eye towards left or right, there is no relative displacement between the object pin and its image. Now take the reading of the position of the pin from the plane surface. This is I think 16 exact. This is 16. See here. Now I will going to write down the position of the needle tip from plane surface. This is 16.0. Then now, as in the above observation, there is a difference between the distance of needle tip from the plane surface and from convex. This is 1 centimeter. Same will be here. So therefore, the distance of the needle pin from the surface of convex lens is 15.0 centimeter. Now find the mean of the distance of needle pin without water and with water. Now this is 10 plus 11. This is 21. So we can write 21 by 2. Means this is 10.5 centimeter. Similarly, second is this is 15 plus 16. This is 31 by 2. and it is 15.5 centimeter. Similarly, you can take other two observations for both the cases, then take the mean of the observations. You will get F1, this is the focal length of convex lens which is without water, and it will come nearly 10.5 centimeter, and other is with water. This is the focal length of combination of lenses, and this is 15.0 or 15.5 centimeter. Clear? Now see the calculation for refractive index. For the calculation, we need the radius of curvature of lower surface of convex lens, radius of curvature r. You will determine the value of radius of curvature by the same method as you have calculated in the 11th class. Radius of the spherical surfaces using spherometer. I have calculated, and it comes approx 11.0 centimeter. Now, second, find the focal length of plano-concave liquid lens. The formula is 1 upon F2 is equal to 1 upon F minus 1 upon F1. Place the value from the observation table. This is 1 upon 15.5 minus 1 upon 10.5. Now remove point. This is 2 by 31. This is and second is 2 by 21. Now solve it, take 2 common, and this is LCM, and this is minus 10. Now solve it, and it will come 0.03. This is 1 upon F2. Now third, find refractive index, that is mu is equal to 1 plus r upon F2. Now place the value 1 plus r minus 11.0 upon 1 upon F2, that is this is directly 0.03 with minus sign. Therefore, it is 1 plus 0.33, that is 1.33. This is refractive index. Hence, now write the result. Value of calculated value of refractive index of a liquid by using convex lens and pen mirror, and it will come 1.3. Okay. After writing the result, you should write precautions, at least 3 precautions write, which I have sent in the class book. This is the complete explanation of the experiment to find the refractive index of liquid using the above apparatus. After the school reopened, you have to perform this experiment in physics laboratory. Okay, students?